kindergarten. My name is Linda. I'm an occupational therapy assistant with Calgary Catholic Schools. And today I'm going to show you how to make this paper flower. So here's what you'll need. You'll need some paper, whatever you can find around the house. Maybe it's a page from a magazine, some white paper, or colored paper. We're going to be doing some cutting, so you need to have your scissors. We're also going to glue, so grab your glue. If you don't have glue, you can use tape. We're also going to be needing a marker or a crayon and a ruler if you have one. We're also going to be making a circle, so find something that you can trace to make a circle. Today I'm using my red mug. Alright, so we're going to start with our tracing. I have a piece of paper here. I'm going to put my mug down, get my marker ready to trace around my mug. I'm going to use my helper hand to keep my mug nice and still, and I'm going to trace all the way around. Now, I know this can be a little tricky, so it's okay if you get an adult or your mom and dad to help you. Alright, so now that we have it all traced, we're ready to cut. So you're going to grab your scissors. Now remember, your thumb goes in the little hole and the blade points away. Your helper hand is thumbs up and you're ready to cut. Now, we don't want to be cutting in this direction because if we do, we're cutting towards our helper hand. So we're going to cut in the other direction away from our helper hand. And right on that black line. When we're cutting, we always want to make sure the blades of our scissors are pointing away from us. If I kept cutting, the blade is going to turn. So what we're going to do is if the blade starts to turn, instead of turning the scissors, we're going to turn or steer the paper so the scissors are still pointing away from us. Go nice and slow, stay on the black line, and as soon as you think the scissors are going to turn the paper. Steer that paper around so the scissors are always pointing away from you, and we'll just finish up, and there's our circle. Alright, so we'll put that to the side and we'll do our next step. So I'm going to grab my colored paper, and it has a short edge and a long edge. And what you're going to do is you're going to put the long edges together like that. Put it down onto your table and use your fingers to press the paper down. Crease it down nice and flat, and it'll look like that. Now, you're going to grab your marker or your crayon again. You're going to grab your ruler, and you're going to make straight lines, and these are going to be the petals of our flower. So you're just going to draw lines all along your paper. So it's going to look something like this. You're going to go all the way down your paper though. Once you have all your lines drawn, more cutting. So remember, thumb in the little hole, blade pointing away, thumb up on your helper hand when you're holding the paper, thumb up on your scissor hand. And start cutting again, nice and slow on the black line. Try your best. That's what we do in kindergarten. Good job, all the way along. And you're going to cut out all your petals. There we go. Now, I have a whole bunch already cut out. And I'm going to show you what to do with the cut out petals. You're going to take a strip of your paper, grab your glue, and you're going to put a little bit of glue right on the end like that. And you're going to fold it down and press. And we didn't put any glue there, so it's going to open up and it's going to look like a teardrop. So you're going to get another strip of paper, put the glue on the end, press it down, and there's another petal. Once you've glued all your petals together, you're going to grab your circle and you're going to draw a cross with your glue on your circle, just like that. And you're going to get a petal, put one on the bottom, grab another petal, put one on the top, another petal on the side, and one on the other side. Now we're going to put glue, oops, we're going to put glue on the spots that doesn't have any. We have to make sure we use enough glue because petal could fall off like that one just tried to. So just make sure you use enough glue. And when you put your petals on, press, press, press. That'll help it to stick. You're going to put your petals all the way around on all the spots that still have glue, just like that. And when you turn it over, you have a paper flower. If you want to make more strips, you can put them in between, just like I did here, and make it more colorful. All right, kindergarten, I hope you had fun making your paper flower. We'll see you again soon. Bye.